Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, who is extremely compassionate, the merciful. Dears, we are starting very small Islamic lecture videos. These videos will helpful about human beings, society and universe. This is lesson number 1. And today our topic is what are social obligations and what are social responsibilities. Social obligations are generally consist upon two types or two categories which are essential for the formation of a healthy, peaceful and prosperous society. It is called good moral values. Like just see on this flashcard, honesty, truth, justice, respect for law, and fair earning, and other like this. The second is which can adversely affect the society and paralyzes every walk of life. It is called an ethical is and a bad values. Like just see on flashcard, lie, backbiting, hypocrisy, pride and jealousy. Inshallah, we will discuss these social bad values and good moral values in the Islamic point of view in my other videos and the lesson number 2 and 3 and on. Kindly please subscribe this channel for latest videos. Thanks.